Just cleaning up the garage here. It was a mess before, and now it looks a lot better. We need to like walk in and stuff, so getting that out of the way. Ah! They're coming! Next job is to get rid of all this dead wood and rotting paint, or flip those two. Got about one more day to go here, and look how red the trees are getting. This is blood red. Why am I wearing a bicycle helmet? You don't deserve to know! Oh, they're mad. Well, that didn't do a darn thing. I'm so sorry. Where are we?
We are in Olive Garden.
Olive Garden.
And I haven't seen any olive plants anywhere. So I think it's a lie.
Olives right above you.
Hey, pretty soon we'll be crying for this weather. Oh, that's good. This water. It's nice, huh?
Oh look, it's Saruman's tower. Are you guys warm?
Yep.
Yeah? Okay, that's good.
Oh, stop wind.
It's, ooh, the wind! Ooh. Alright, Daddy, you ready to climb this?
Yes, I am. Wait. Let me slip down to my underwear so I can get a good grip of that pole.
Oh. This is new? Oh, that's okay. I pay my taxes. Ah. It's really cold out here. We're in Naperville, Illinois. That's the Millennium Tower that they built like 20 years ago, maybe? 15 years ago? Whew, it's cold. How much did they spend on that tower?
Too much.
$11 million.
That's why nobody.
It doesn't look like it, does it? That's what we all thought. Everyone's getting inside because everyone can't take the cold. I can take the cold. I can take it.
It was nice to get warm for a second.
So this is Naperville River Walk. Thus the name. You can walk along the river with sidewalks on either side. It's super cool. It's one of the oldest parts of Naperville, Illinois. Hi guys. Hi. How's it going?
Good.
Everyone's abandoning me. I'm gonna walk along the river.
Oh, I have dragon this
Are you loving this adventure we're taking you on?
Oh gosh.
night. See the sack?
My crazy family.
So they're over there by the Starbucks. They're kind of warming up. I'm gonna go get the car for them and pull up. It's actually not that cold, but my dad's leg gets worse when it gets cold, so we're just gonna do it for him. Plus, it's a long walk, so don't want him to walk that long. Been coming here as a kid. This is the old part, and what confused me was that this is kind of a new part. I've never seen this area before. So it's weird because all this is brand new, at least to me. I've never seen this on the Riverwalk. It used to be a very natural area. I'm used to the old section, kind of back there. Not a lot of tall buildings, but that's the way the world goes, I guess. Modernizing everything. He's pointing at something. If something like this was in Irvine or something, it would be like crowded beyond belief with people. But we're here in the Midwest where no one lives, so it's pretty empty. I decided to go on the other side of the river because it's a much better view of this lake, which during the summer, they still have the boats out right now. So I guess you could still ride a boat around the lake. Naperville, Illinois is kind of the town where all the other towns kind of want to emulate. It's the cool place to grow up, it's the cool place to take dates to. It's kind of been the reputation my whole life. All the cool kids came from Naperville. After you graduate, you would go to Naperville to find a cool job like a photographer or like a dance studio instructor or something like that. Or like, you know, I don't know. All the vegan places are in Naperville. So it's kind of like a little bit of a urban hub in the Midwest. And as you can see, you know, it's very nice. They do have a lot of money. They spend it on a lot of things. They have a river walk here, walking next to the river.
Over the bridge to the car.
I went from French to German there. So this area is very, very cool. It brings back a lot of memories. This is one of the oldest parts of the park area. It's kind of where we went to school. That's where I went to school in Naperville. So it's kind of nearby that way, I believe. And, you know, I just know this area from a long time being here. It brings back a lot of good memories. Just kind of exploring the river, exploring the forest nearby. It's a good area to raise a family, to be honest with you. Okay, this is exactly what I'm talking about. This is what I mean by the cool kids, the rich kids all live in Naperville. Because you have houses that look like this. And yeah, just a lot of privilege here. A lot of privilege indeed. Cool kids on their phones. Well. Starbucks Reserve Bar. That's why. This is probably the nicest Starbucks.
Yeah, well, this is
Big mural right here. I just kicked the table and I sent this chocolate flying into Mom's face. I'm sorry, Mom.
That's okay.
That's in your hair.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me get that.
On the other side.
It's all over. Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
I just won't.
You threw hot chocolate in your
I'm
mother's face.
so sorry. Look at all the puppies. Oh my gosh, Dad, welcome to the 21st century.
Okay, call Jasper. My phone died. Start. Oh.
The green button? Nope. The
Call,
green phone
yeah.
button. All right. Which movie is that?
Princess Diaries 3.
I hope it doesn't disappoint either.
And that's
Jamie Foxx as Little John in Robin Hood. Look at that, we got free comic books.
I'm gonna read it if I only knew how.
Well, one day.